Hi everyone, let's verify another identity. The identity we wish to verify this time is tan squared of 3 alpha minus sine squared of 3 alpha is the same as tangent squared 3 alpha times sine squared 3 alpha. Now if you were doing this without any regard to needing to enter certain answers in boxes in WebAssign, then you would begin with either side of the identity that you preferred and verify that it equals or produces the other side. So this has been chosen for you to start with the left-hand side and see what happens. Notice via this identity and squaring that tan squared 3 alpha is the same as sine squared 3 alpha divided by cosine squared 3 alpha. So I have sine squared 3 alpha over cosine squared 3 alpha minus sine squared 3 alpha. Now the question is, how is the author of the problem getting from this step to the next one? Well, one thing I notice is that the two terms definitely have a sine squared 3 alpha in common, and if I pull it out, I would be left with 1 over cosine squared minus simply the number 1. Then I would like for you to notice that 1 over cosine squared is the same as secant squared, so in this case secant squared 3 alpha, multiplication's commutative, so this becomes secant squared 3 alpha times sine squared 3 alpha, and then we have the following identity, 1 plus tan squared is secant squared, so we can rewrite that as tangent squared 3 alpha is secant squared 3 alpha minus 1, which is what we see here and here. Bring this guy down, and we have verified that we have produced the right-hand side of the formula.